Hi, I'm Jackie from Chirp Magazine. Today I'm going to show you how to make Chirp Cupcakes. For this recipe you'll need your favorite cupcake or muffin, yellow icing, blue icing, dried apricots, and white round candies. First, cover your cupcake in bright yellow icing to make Chirp's round head, and then we want to add his eyes. So you take 2 round candies, his eyes, add a little blue icing in the middle, and then to make Chirp's beak, we'll take an apricot, use scissors or a knife to cut it into a beak shape. You can cut the end off a little bit too. Ooh. Open it up, and you add that for Chirp's beak. When you finish making Chirp, try making his friends tweet and squawk too.